Hello. Do you want to fix your YouTube algorithm? If yes, go ahead and navigate to youtube.com. Click on your YouTube icon on the top right corner. Then click on your data in YouTube. Now scroll down to manage your YouTube watch history. Now the trick to fix your algorithm is by deleting a specific category of videos that you don't want by searching for them one by one. Or press on the delete button on top so you can clear all videos in a specified time span by choice, either all today's videos or custom range by choosing from start date to finish date, or third option is algorithm reset. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and comment below if you want any specific guides you want us to make a video on. That's it, thanks for watching.